6 in the morning. I'm going to the train station, so I found a taxi just outside my hotel. The good part of living in center is that there are a lot of taxi drivers driving around, so yeah, it just took me 2 minutes to get a taxi. So it's still dark, the sun is not out yet. I'm going to the railway station to catch my train to Tangier. I'll show you the railway station when I reach there. So guys, we have arrived at the train station. So this is their train station. It's still very early morning, the sun is not out yet, but yeah, train station looks really nice. Show you just the view of the outside. So yeah, this is the train station. I'll show you it. Just entering the train station. The architecture here everywhere is old Moroccan style, even at the train station. Wow, look at this. Looks like a fancy hotel. Okay, just entered the train station. Have McDonald's here. I think it's open. That's the ticket counter. We have Starbucks as well. Yeah, that's a Starbucks as well. This is the inside of the station. This is the display window where you can see your train timings and all. So guys, you can see there is a queue here. I think we'll need to scan the QR code and then enter the platform. Our train is at platform 3. I'll show you the platform once I enter. We are still in this queue. Our train will depart in approximately 10 minutes. They have not opened the gates yet. I think आज तो train भाग के पकड़नी पड़ेगी. Okay guys, finally we have arrived at the platform. Only 5 minutes left for our train to depart. We also need to search our coach. I really hope भाग के ना पकड़नी पड़े train. Let's see if we are able to find our coach easily. This is the train station. I think this is our train. There are 2 trains here. Not sure. We need to take the one from platform 4 or 5. I think this must be the one. Yeah. This is their train. Okay, I'll show you the inside of the train once I reach my coach. So guys, we have reached inside the train. I'll show you the train. This is the train. Looks quite similar to Indian Railways. You can see your class, compartment here, seat numbers here. So this is the inside of the train. These are the seats. You can find the seat numbers here. Yeah. This is our seat. We have packed some food for the journey. Guys, this is our train. The journey has started. Not sure if you are able to see the views from outside. The sun is rising now. Guys, we have arrived at Casablanca station. We'll take the train towards Tangier from here. You can see it's raining. So guys, we have our layover at Casablanca Voyager station. So this is the station. We have McDonald's here, a lot of shops here. You can have food here basically, have rest, or grab something quickly. So yeah, I might grab some food quickly. Guys, we have finally entered the train from Casablanca. This will go towards Tangier. I'll show you a bit of the train. It's a very nice train, quite good leg space. It's a train view. Yeah, looks very nice. It also has a pantry, very clean washrooms, looks quite luxury. This is the view from the train. Guys, this is the view from the train. I'll show you the seats. These are the seats, quite spacious, quite nice legroom. Also has a charging point. You can charge your phones, laptops here. It also has footrest here. Yeah, overall quite decent train. So we will be reaching to Tangier in about a couple of hours from now. It will be a comfortable and relaxing journey. I'll show you a few clips from the journey in my video, and yeah, we'll show you around Tangier once we reach there. Okay guys, finally we have reached Tangier. Just got down from the train. This is the view. I'll explore Tangier, check into the hotel, and I'll see you in the next video.